How to add songs to Spotify. To get started, first of all, open the Spotify app on your phone. Once you're on this page, scroll through and select an artist of your choice from the Best of Artist option. Here, tap on a song to play it. Once the song is playing, open the Now Playing screen from the bottom by tapping on it. Now, tap on the plus icon on the right. This song is now added to your liked songs. After that, on the same screen, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the page. Here, you can choose to add the song to a playlist. On this page, you can choose which playlist you want to add the song to. This way, you can add any songs that you want to Spotify and enjoy them from right here. Following these steps, you can easily add songs on Spotify and enjoy the music.